Dan Fitzpatrick here, and the trading day is still going on. We've got about an hour, a little over an hour and a half to go, but I just thought I'd do this video because I have time to do it. Copart. Now, this is a stock that has been on our growth stock list for a while. We're up a bit on it, not a whole lot, but the bottom line, though, is they're reporting earnings on the 19th, right? I always have little notes on my charts to remind me. And then, and I think I've done this on a free chart video, but certainly have for our members. I drew these lines a couple days ago. Just yesterday, actually. I drew these lines. And what they were are my kind of estimation. I'm using my imagination. There's a little bit of art that goes into trading because, after all, we're looking at pictures. And my idea was that I'm farting around with this and I'm not getting anywhere. My idea was that, again, forget about this, what's going on today. As I looked at this stock yesterday, right here, I see the stock, the company reports earnings next week. I see it doing this, and I just couldn't really imagine it running up very much between now and their earnings, because it's been in a little bit of a consolidation here. Nice uptrend is why we're long the stock. And I was just trying to temper expectations, both of me as well as members, about the way the stock would be trading. And I even mentioned this morning, it'd probably be kind of a little bit of a dud where you wouldn't really have enough profit in it to justify holding some over earnings. But there's really no reason to be selling right now because you never know what could happen, right? And so in order to kind of make that case, what I did was I drew some of these lines imagining what the stock would be trading like over the next several days. And the idea was, by the time it got to the end of the day on Wednesday, probably be kind of right back at this level, maybe down, but not a whole lot. So instead, the stock surprised me. The stock's up very nicely today, over 2%. And if it closes where it is right now, this will be at a new closing high. The actual high for the top intraday is 85.90, so we'll call it 86 bucks. This stock is actually very close to breaking out, and with Friday and Monday and Tuesday to go before they report on Tuesday afternoon or evening, we could see a lot more upside for this stock. And so I'm just pointing this out to you because I thought you might like to know what my thought process is on things like this. Trading is always an if-then proposition. It's always based on hypotheses. If the stock does this, then it's probably going to do that. Therefore, I'll buy or I'll sell when the stock does blah, blah, blah. Not very many traders, and certainly no good traders that I know, will just kind of look at a stock and buy it and not have an idea. You have to have an idea of what a stock is going to do, because only then will you be able to know whether your idea is right or wrong. And so with my idea being that the stock was just going to grind around here a bit, and then that idea, at least so far today, is being kind of blown out of the water, I've revised my idea. And now I think Copart's going to move up a little bit. And in fact, I increased my positions very slightly this morning because of this move. So I'm looking for, at least maybe a couple more bucks of upside. And frankly, I'm not really sure that would be worth trading if you're new to this stock. Maybe you just got on the email list for my chart of the day video. I'm not really sure that I'd buy it here as an initial purchase, but I've been covering this stock a lot, and I know that a lot of our members, and hopefully you, have been long this stock from a lower point here. And if that's you, hang on to the stock. Don't sell it now. Let this thing run. Buy the anticipation, sell the event. We could see some big selling at the end of the day on Tuesday, or we could see some big buying. We just don't know. But between now and then, which is all I really care about, this stock seems like it's ready to move higher. So anyway, that's what I would do. I just hang on to the stock, and I'm serious. I'd look for 90 to be tested before next Tuesday. So anyway, that's it. Members, we had a trade the open session this morning with me, and Scott was there as well. So you might want to check that out. With some good trades in there, one of which was Ping, though it took a while to develop, which turned into a pretty decent short. Other than that, there's stuff in there for you, and Scott's also doing a video. So anyway, I will see you next time.